Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Peter the Rock. Today's video is on narcissism. Well, this topic is a bit difficult to understand. Let's see if it is simplified enough in this video. Well, only your feedback will tell me that. Narcissism is when a person is involved in his own self to an extent that he fails to understand others' feelings or the effect of his behavior on other people. The cause of the problem could be the environment. When parents adore or criticize their children more than required, and that didn't match the child's actual experience or achievement, the person tends to exhibit narcissistic behavior, sometimes even after growing up. The cause of the problem could be genetic too. Now, there are two types of narcissism. The first one is grandiose narcissism. People with this behavior were most likely treated as if they were superior or above others during childhood. They tend to brag and be elitist. They are generally aggressive, dominant, and exaggerate their importance. They are self-confident and aren't sensitive. The second type of narcissism is vulnerable narcissism. This behavior is usually the result of childhood neglect or abuse. Here, the narcissist is sensitive. They feel offended or anxious when others don't treat them as if they are special. Now, how do we identify narcissistic behavior in people? There are 6 ways or 6 traits. When people exhibit these 6 traits, we can make out that the person has narcissistic attitude or is a narcissist. The first one is conflicted. The person is always looking for a fight. Fighting is their native language and they are very good at it. The second trait is rigid. They are unyielding. They are maladapted. They don't go with the flow. The third is antagonistic. In this, the people are manipulative, exploitative, arrogant, and difficult to get along with. The fourth trait is vulnerable, vindictive. Here the narcissists behave as if they have been victimized. If you do anything to them that they perceive as unfair or not what they want or believe they do not deserve it, they will come after you. They harm you in all possible ways. The fifth is entitled. They believe they are special. They believe that rules do not apply to them. They want VIP treatment all the time without it being earned in a given situation. And when that entitlement is not met, they get enraged. The last trait is dysregulated. They are very reactive. They are not able to control their emotions. They are very quick to anger. They express their emotions loudly and they are unsettling. Now that you know the traits exhibited by narcissists, we should do these 4 possible things. The first, never call them a narcissist. Second, never tell them that they are gaslighting you. You must be wondering what gaslighting is. Gaslight, as per the Oxford Dictionary, is to manipulate someone such that they doubt their own memory, perceptions of reality or sanity. The third thing is never tell them that they can never change. In case they try to change, it is only to prove you wrong. They are not to make real sustained changes, not actually reflecting or acknowledging or taking responsibility that their behavior hurt you. The changes are superficial. The fourth one is never say that you don't forgive them. Forgiveness should not be wasted or taken for granted, because forgiveness is a self-healing process. By forgiving a narcissist repeatedly, you are only harming yourself. Now, what is the solution to the problem? If we are living with a narcissist, or if we identify a narcissist who we are associating with, and we have identified these traits in the narcissist, and we have no other go, then these are the things we can do, and they are the part of the solution. First, tell your problem to someone. Write it in your journal. Read a book. Knowing is the power. Disengaging is essential. Accept radically. Hold reality, perceptions, and beliefs. And never give them your power by telling them to see it. I hope we have understood what narcissism is, who a narcissist is, the kind of traits narcissists exhibit, types of narcissism, and solution to deal with the narcissist. I hope the video was informative. Do give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.